Bubbly is cultivating the land with her mother. He planted fruit tree. He watered the tree. He collected fruit with her mother. Bubbly sold the fruits to the market and got a lot of money. He admitted Bubbly to school with that money. One day, some evil monkeys stole all the fruit and broke the tree. Bubbly and her mother were very sad and cried. All their hopes are gone. Bubbly and her mother complained everything to the police. The police came and took the monkeys. Bubbly is very happy. Now Bubbly now says,
বন্ধুরা লাইক বন্ধুরা ফলো করো শেয়ার করো কমেন্ট করো